It's alright. I've made videos of all the footage that's on here. Just called for this guy. Call for the puppy. Puppy. He gonna stay with me because he got food yesterday. See, both offering me downs. Oh well, maybe they'll leave me. Okay, move it away from me. See what he does. This guy's not even seen the car yet. Let me move over here. You just move it and keep moving it away from him. They're really thrilled with that car. Somebody finally got it. Let's keep doing the car. Just keep moving it. Puppy! Get off the light. You just keep rolling it. Spinning's good. You guys are being a non-border collies. You're not chasing the car. I do. They're both offering me downs. You know they're doing that on purpose. Oh, goofy dogs. Alright. Maybe drag one of the toys around, see if you can get them to play instead of... Might have to go outside and get them to play instead of in here. I need to get on that side. Puppy. Get the green one. I think they like the green one better. I say as he starts to attack that one. Tie those together. Tie the black and the, like the, where it's got the handle, just put it through. That way you don't have to bend over so much. Just keep dragging it. You walk over there. Over that way. Puppy. And just move around with it. Now maybe go back over to the mirror. What do you want, baby? Okay, now I'm gonna go get some food and we'll do recalls maybe.